Did you know that almost everything you do online, from watching Netflix to storing your files, depend on one powerful technology? That's called cloud computing, and it's shaping the digital world we know today. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where we will be talking about one of the most important and one of the most widely used technologies in the world, cloud computing. Now, even if you didn't notice it, cloud is everywhere. It's not just those things in the sky, but it's also down to your technologies. And it plays a huge role in our daily lives, especially in the computing industry. Cloud computing refers to delivering computing services over the internet. These services include storage, servers, databases, networking, and even software applications. Instead of storing files over running apps directly on your device, the cloud uses remote data centers, massive buildings of full power computers to store and process your information. This means that you can access your files and applications anytime and anywhere as long as you have internet access. You might not even realize it, but you actually use cloud computing every single day in all the applications that you have. Here are 5 common examples. First, cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and iCloud keep your photos, documents, and videos safe. Even if your phone or laptop gets damaged, your files stay protected online. Second, cloud computing powers entertainment. Apps like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, and online games stream content from your cloud servers to your screen instantly. Third, communication and collaboration. These tools heavily rely on cloud, like Gmail, Google Docs, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, allow people to work together in real time from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're 1 meter apart or at the other side of the world, cloud computing still works fine. Fourth is, of course, online learning platforms. They use the cloud to store lessons, submit assignments, and track student progress, just like the app we use called Canvas. This made remote learning possible. Most of these platforms became prominent, especially during the pandemic, since most of our learnings were online. And lastly, we can't forget our favorite, online shopping and digital payments. Apps like Shopee, Lazada, Gcash, and PayPal depend on cloud servers to process millions of secure transactions every single day. Now, you might think, why do we use cloud computing, and why is it one of the best advancements in technology? Well, firstly, accessibility. Cloud computing allows users to access their files and applications in any device possible, from your phone to your laptop or any public device available as long as they're connected to the internet. This means that you are no longer limited to using a single laptop or phone. Your information follows you wherever you go. This accessibility is extremely helpful for students, professionals, and organizations that need to work from multiple locations. It also supports remote work, since teams can collaborate in real time and even if they're in different countries or cities. With cloud-based tools, people could continue to work or study without being tied to a specific device or office. Number 2, cost efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of using cloud computing is the ability to reduce cost. Traditionally, companies had to buy expensive servers, hire IT staff to maintain them, and continually upgrade their hardware. With cloud, those expenses are replaced by affordable monthly or yearly subscriptions. Organizations only pay for the amount of storage or computing power they actually use. This makes technology more accessible even for small businesses or startups that cannot afford to buy their own data centers. Because the cloud provider handles maintenance, updates, and security, companies save money and invest in innovation instead. Third, scalability. Cloud computing can easily adjust to growing or shrinking demand. For example, if a website suddenly gets popular and gets thousands of users overnight, the cloud can automatically add routing resources to keep the system running smoothly. This is called scaling up. Likewise, when demand decreases, the cloud can scale down, helping businesses avoid wasting resources. This flexibility allows companies to stay efficient and responsive without investing in extra hardware. It is especially important for modern apps, online stores, and digital services that experience unpredictable traffic. Number 4 is security. Cloud providers invest millions of dollars into strong security systems that protect data from hackers, loss, or damage. Tools like encryption, firewall protection, multi-factor authentication, and regular backups. These protections are often far stronger than what a typical user or school or business could ever afford on their own. For example, if your phone breaks or your laptop gets infected with a virus, your files are stored in the cloud and remain safe. In emergencies such as natural disasters, cloud data centers can recover information quickly, ensuring that important files and services are always available. Number 5, faster innovation. Because the cloud provides ready-made tools, computing power, and platforms, developers can build and test applications much faster. Instead of setting up servers or installing complex servers, they can simply use cloud-based environments to create new apps instantly. This speeds up the development of technologies like artificial intelligence, mobile applications, and data analysis. Companies can quickly update their services, add new features, and improve user experience. This rapid innovation is one of the main reasons why today's technology evolves so quickly. Cloud computing removes many barriers that used to slow down progress. Now, I'm pretty sure you know by now, cloud computing is very much important. Reduce the need of physical servers, lower operational costs, and allow businesses to focus on innovation instead of maintenance. It also supports major technologies that are up and coming, especially the one we know that's still evolving today, the AI or the artificial intelligence. These tools require a huge amount of data and computing power, and the cloud provides just that. Developers can now create new apps, train AI models, and deploy updates globally with just a few clicks. Well, in fact, most of modern apps today, including social media, banking apps, and delivery platforms, are cloud-based. Without cloud computing, digital services we rely on would simply not exist. Now, do we think cloud computing only benefits technology? Actually, it benefits society even more. In education, for example, as we stated before, it enables online classes, digital libraries, and flexible learning environments. In healthcare, doctors and hospitals use cloud systems to store patient records and access important data instantly. In government, cloud-based systems allow faster public services and improve disaster responses. And of course, for everyday life, cloud computing makes things so much more convenient, from streaming movies to paying bills online. And most importantly, cloud computing supports remote work, which has become essential for many people around the world. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. And maybe next time you can tell your friend a little fun fact about cloud computing. Bye!